This is my video for the 98 Chevy S-10 pickup 5.3 liter V8 swap for sale. If you're watching this video, the truck is still for sale. You can call me, area code 253-677-4924. The motor and transmission are out of a 2002 Tahoe that was wrecked. You've got 295, 55, 15 tires on the rear end of it. Truck comes with an auto start. Correction, it's not going to start with the hood open. I have to close the hood in a minute and let it fire up. There was 50,000 miles on the motor and trans when it was put into the truck. Just so you guys know, the grill is out of a GMC due to the fact that there's GMC HID headlight assemblies put in. There's no amp for the HIDs, so you're just running stock bulbs, but just had a cleaner look than the front end of the Chevy pickup, personally. Dual computers for the truck. One's tuned for horsepower. That computer's never been dynoed. The second computer's tuned for mileage. I personally don't ever run it. Don't buy a truck like this for mileage. The the mileage computer did get the dyno once because we won a free dyno test at a show, and it dynoed at over 300 horsepower. So best guess, this other tuned computer is going to be running somewhere in the range of about 320, 325. Putting the hood down right now, excuse me. K&N air filter. Don't know if you can see it very well. Air conditioner pump. The only thing missing is a line. I've got all the parts to complete the system. I live in Washington State. I get maybe 10 days a year where I might need the air conditioning. Auto start. Flowmaster exhaust. 3-inch pipe all the way back. That's mileage on the computer. I'm not 100% sure of actual mileage on the truck. Power windows, power door locks. That's it. If you got any questions, give me a call. 253-677-4924. The video's still on YouTube. The truck's still for sale. Also interested in getting a dyno glide. Anybody's got a 04, 05 Harley dyno, I would gladly take that off your hands and straight trade for the truck. Cash is preferred. That way I could pick my new bike. It is an all primer truck. It's ready for paint. There's still a couple dents and dings we missed in the bodywork, but unless you're going to make it a show truck, it's straight enough for paint at this point. Thanks for watching.